Okay, here we are out in the garden, actually in the greenhouse again, and this is an update for week number 3. And my tomato plants are all healthy and happy and doing really good, quite enjoying it, but they're starting to become a real noticeable difference between the plants. Everybody's quite green, and what's happening is this is my regular box with no additional light, except for on this corner where there is a bit of light spillage. So you can see the lemon boy and the Rio Grande are roughly the same height. This is the bumblebee, and you see that it's got a little more growth to it. And this is where the light spillage is. So that's quite noticeable. And everybody, I just finished watering everybody, and they all took 8 liters to fill the boxes. So the same amount of fertilizer / water consumed, which is good. But you can really notice, especially this box, the difference in between where the light spillage is and where it isn't. And so it's running from 8 to 10 inches. Now you come over here, here's the Mars Hydro, and you can see that these plants are quite a bit bigger. They're running anywhere from 10 to 11 inches. They're also a lighter green, which is kind of interesting. But they're really getting bushy, really getting healthy and happy. Come over here. This is the Bloom Plus. And they're running 8 to 10 inches, so not quite as tall, not quite as thick for the leaves and that, but still, they're looking healthy, they're happy. And in fact, my Rio Grande in the middle has got buds coming on it. And as I'm starting to get buds, I'm thinking it's time to move away from the 28-10-10 high nitrogen fertilizer. Actually, when I look closer, I don't know if we're going to be able to zoom in tight and show it, but you can see there's buds coming on that one and coming on this one. So those are under the Bloom Plus, and I haven't seen any buds on anybody else. So that's interesting as well. The Bloom Plus is maybe helping the bloom come a little quicker. Nice little plant there. Now that is a marigold. And what the story is tomatoes love marigolds. So companion planting. I'm going to try it this year. Never done it before, but we'll see what happens. Also, if you watched my other video about my parts per million and pH of my water, there's my pH meter again, and you see the needle is slightly above alkaline. So that's, pretty close to what the water is I'm pouring in. Now I'm going to rotate a little bit over here to this box. Now this is my Growtronics box, and the 2 outside plants are roughly 12 inches tall. The middle one's about 10 inches tall. So the fact is, this guy's doing the best for growth. And I'm starting to look, and I'm seeing buds coming. So that's cool. And hiding in there is the marigold. If you look there, you come over here, oh, there's a dead one. Those are those 2 weeds that were growing that I think were nettles. So I pulled them out, laid them down, let them die off. So there we are. I think the Growtronics is starting to pull away with what is growing and getting blooming. The second one, I think, is this Bloom Plus. And the third, I think, is the Mars Hydro. It'll be interesting to keep tracking this as we go along. And also I moved all my lights up. They're all 22 inches above the canopy again. Get them all back to the height matching to the top of the canopy. So that's it for now on this video. No matter where you are in the world, I hope you're enjoying yourself and having fun growing plants. Okay, here's kind of the end of the video. And in case you're wondering what happens to those plants that I start growing downstairs under the lights, I'll just slowly walk along here. They come outside and go in pots. Now those marigolds, they're for out in the garden with the carrots. But yeah, they go into pots and enjoy themselves. So that's it for this video. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you're having a great day and you're enjoying your garden. Cheers.